I greet you back at the Baltic Championship here in Tallinn, Estonia on Lake Harku, and we have GT 15's Heat 2, which means that it's the second race of the day. And on the first place we find Eli Mantas, who won the first heat, but next to him is not Jaroslav Bassov, but Oliver Lääne, because Jaroslav got a extra lap, or his lap was deleted. Also, Urte Gedrimaite on the third place. I think she will be happy, or he. Peter Stoyanov on the fourth place. And fifth place is going to Walter Laine. Sixth place goes to Reinis Touris. Seventh, Zach Chelf. Eighth, Ron Põvat. And then it wasn't even a lap, but a disqualification for Jaroslav Bassov. Then it was a DNF for Stanley Vihermaa and disqualification for Adele Servin for an illegal move. But we already have 30 seconds until the start. And the red lights are on. And the red lights are off. Look at that. Reinis Touris did not get away from the start pretty much at all. But now let's look at Oliver Lääne and Petar Stoyanov have had a great start. So let's see if Oliver Lääne can maybe get a first position from this start. But Eli Mantas Radulis is taking back with some top speed, but it's still Oliver Lääne. Oh, very close between Urte and Peter. But luckily both ones are still driving, and now it is between Eli Mantas Radulis and Oliver Lääne, but Eli Mantas catches the second buoy first, and with that he goes to lead the race. But now I will reckon to keep an eye on the yellow boat, Reinis Touris, who should be pretty fast, but with a failed start, he is pretty far back. But there is a very nice formation by these GT15 drivers. And for me, it looks like a battle for third place. Yeah, it is Gedrimaite versus Bassov. Bassov has had a very great start, climbing up to the third place now. While they are going side by side with Urte, and Urte has the inside line. Jaroslav takes the outside line, maybe a little switchback. Yes, he's going for the switchback, but hits the buoy pretty bad and loses some time for that. And of course, there is already Walter Laine going for the spot of Bassov. And of course, you cannot forget about Stoyanov. Three boats fighting for the fourth place right now. Now looks like Walter Laine goes for a switchback and Petar Stoyanov goes for a double switchback, and Walter Laine with a really aggressive line just pushes Petar Stoyanov out very harshly. And Jaroslav Bassov also feels some tension by Walter Laine. Real Terminator right now, Walter Laine. And it's the Stoyanov with a great switchback. And looks like he takes the fifth place right now from Walter Laine. They go side by side. Two reddish boats and going very side by side right now. A little contact between them. But still, looks like Petar Stoyanov gets the place from Valter Laine, but Stoyanov's trajectory feels like was intentionally a little bit wider, and yeah, now we can confirm that it's Petar Stoyanov on the fourth place, or fifth, sorry. It's Yaroslav Bassov on fourth place. Oh, and a hook in by Yaroslav Bassov, and a really good save by Petar Stoyanov. Let's now see who takes the fourth place. And to me, it seems like it's still Valter. Sorry, not Valter Laine, but Yaroslav Bassov. But looks like Petar Stoyanov has a little bit more speed from the outside. But Yaroslav Bassov also keeps his line, and Petar Stoyanov gives him enough room to keep the fourth place. But again, there is Valter Laine and Petar Stoyanov. Now Stoyanov gives him the same treatment that Valter gave him, and just pushes the inside line so hard that Valter just has to go over the wave of Petar, and with that Petar wins some time. But it's already Reinis Tuuris there, and also Adele Servin already looking at the boys. And we can now say it's about 4 boats fighting each other with Yaroslav Bassov on the fourth place. But for a second, let's see what's going on second place. And second and third place is still Lääne and Kedremaite. So let's switch the focus on Bassov, Stoyanov, Laine and Tuuris. And Servin maybe also. It's 5 boats in about 2 or 3 seconds. They are fighting hard, that's for sure. And Petar Stoyanov here, number 99, looking for number 65, Yaroslav Bassov's fourth place. He's giving his all, that's for sure. Now let's see if it's a moment of switchback. He's going to try it, but it just does not feel good. And it's Reinis Tuuris who gets a pretty good switchback there. And now Valter Laine is, let's say, his 6th place is in a little bit of danger right now. Let's see what Tuuris will do. Will he pull outside? Yes, he pulls outside to go for a mega switchback on Valter Laine. And it's really hard. Valter Laine takes a really inside line, and it's just not possible for Reinis Tuuris to make a good switchback right now. And Valter Laine right now maintains his 6th position. And it's already Adele Servin who has caught up to Reinis Tuuris, as you can see. The pink boat. Let's see, she might have some opportunities to maybe overtake Reinis Tuuris and maybe even Valter Laine. But also, you have to keep eyes on the 2nd and 3rd place also, which are Oliver Lääne and Kedremaite. Kedremaite is not backing off from Lääne at all. But our leader, Enimantas Ratsoulis, is just going his way. It's very many seconds, 13 about. But it now looks like Reinis Tuuris must watch out for Adele Servin, who goes for a switchback. And right now the juniors have calmed down a little bit, in my opinion, and taken in their positions and just focusing on catching up with the boat in front. And looks like Reinis Touris is accomplishing this mission and catching up to Valterlaine right now. But the question already is, how many laps do we have? I think we are going for a last lap now. So it's only one lap for everyone to make a move. This goes for Gedrimaite, this goes for Stoyanov, and this goes for Adele Servin and Reinis Touris. But it right now looks like everyone will hold onto their places with two hands and not letting it go. And keep your eyes on the blue boat, because the blue boat has a last straight, and it is Elimantas Raciulis who comes home with a second win from today. Well done, Elimantas. And let's switch the focus on the boats behind. It is, yes, looks like Lääne holds off Gedrimaite and takes the second place. And after that, fourth place goes to Yaroslav Bassov. Fifth, with a good fight, was Petar Stoyanov. Sixth goes to Valterlaine. Seventh, Reinis Touris. Eighth, almost a photo finish with Touris, is Adele Servin. Great drive from everyone. After Servin, we have Ron Bovat. And then it is Sax Chelf and Stanley Viherma. Great drive from everyone. It was nice and safe. To me, it looked pretty clean also. So I'm not waiting for any disqualifications. But thank you for being with us, and we should have F500's first heat now for the European Championship.